Hi there. Today we're going to learn about how to change the background of our Wix mobile version website. So here we are in the dashboard of Wix. So start, just need to click on design site. Will take us to the Wix website editor. Wait for things to load. There we have it. I am now inside the Wix editor and I am using a blank template. So in order to make sure that you are in the mobile version website, so you can click this button right here. The first one says edit your site for desktop, and then the other says switch to mobile. Need to switch to the mobile. Now that we are in the mobile version of the website, you just need to find background right here on the sidebar. It says here that this icon, this is on the background. Just need to click it. And we have different options to change the background of our Wix mobile version website. First one is color. We can pick from different colors that Wix has. If we click it, it will apply to our website. We can also add more colors, color wheel. You can also edit the different codes of the color wheel if you have a specific code in mind for the colors. Then there's also some advanced settings right here. If you want to apply different colors for the different backgrounds, or I mean the different pages of your Wix website. Next, you can also select some images given by Wix. You can see here. You can also click this image button to open up a new window that that is bigger so that you can see more options for the background. For example, I will click this one and click on change background, and it will automatically change our background. Then again, you can also explore the different courses that Wix has. So we have Media from Wix, we have Shutterstock. One needs to be paid if in order to use it. We also have Unsplash. If you want to have a specific background in mind, you have your own file in your desktop. So we can choose upload media, and you can just drag and drop your preferred background right here. For example, I have this one. We just need to drag and drop this image. We'll just wait for it to upload, and then once it's done uploading, you can click on change background again, and now we see that the background again has changed. And lastly, we also have video background. So we just need to click on it and click on explore the medias from Wix. Find the background that we like, and then again change the background. There we have it. We have our video background, and then we can click on play to see the video background playing. And that is basically it in changing the background of our Wix mobile version website. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.